Hi everyone, Darsh here. Today, we're going to look at how you can change the pitch of any audio recording that you have. Right over here, I have one that I recorded literally 5 minutes ago. And spoiler alert, this video went so funny because of how weird my voice sounded after changing the pitch. Alright, let's get started. First of all, open up your web browser. Well, we're going to choose this Chrome profile over here. Well, as freezing it might be. Yeah. And on the in the address bar, type in vocalremover.org. But now you might be wondering, hang on a minute. This is a vocal remover that you use in the video how to remove vocals from any song. How can this help us? You'll understand soon. Just go to the website. Once that's done, click on the side button that says, where is it? Pitch changer. Yeah, so this vocalremover.org also has a pitch changer. So basically the second option on your left hand side. Now you can click on browse my files and find your recording. For me, here it is. Man, this is funny. And here we are. So you can see, we can see the recording over here that's happening. We can even trim them if we like, shave them. And here is the pitch changer. So let's go with a high pitch, shouldn't we? Let's go with the high pitch. And now we can choose a format over here. We want .wav, ODG, MP3. Oh, we have even more options. We don't have more options for file format, but we have the sample rate and the bit rate. I'll keep it to the default and apply. And let's click on save. Now we have changed the voice to have a very high pitch, but then we're also gonna go with a low pitch. So let's change the pitch super low. Yeah, I'm gonna have a deep voice. And let's click on save again. Alright, so this is gonna be the original audio. Hi everyone, Darsh here today. So that is the original recording. Now let's go with the one with the extremely high pitch. And I know you guys are going to smash the subscribe button because of how funny this is. Good lord. Let's do this.
Hi everyone, Darsh here today.
Okay, I think it went a bit too funny. I mean, I thought it was gonna be a bit funny, but this is too funny. Oh no, YouTube's gonna ban me for violation. Okay, let's go with the low voice now. Then we're gonna go with the results. Oh my gosh.
Hi everyone, Darsh here today.
This is too funny. I never expected it to be that funny. Don't laugh at me, especially in online class. But friends, it's too funny. The high pitch. So what this does is just change the pitch, right? And at first, I know you might be wondering why vocalremover.org, because there's a pitch changer in vocalremover.org. And fun fact, there's actually even more things that you can do. You can join audio, you can make karaoke, I don't even know how to say, karaoke recorder, or like in the video on how to remove vocals, you can remove the vocals. So yeah, it's too funny. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stuff like this. And I'll see you next time.